Hi friends, this is Subhan and you are watching my YouTube channel House of Information. Friends, today we will visit the Chile, a country of South America, and I will tell you the facts, figures and the information about Chile I am sure you don't know before. Chile is a country which is situated in the very west south of the world, and it is the longest country of the world too, which is 4,620 kilometers long, and it is the least wide country of the world. Before proceeding to the main video, I request you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that all of our new upcoming videos notifications can be found to you. The full name of Chile is Republic of Chile. Total area of Chile is 7,56,950 square kilometers. 80% of the area of Chile is the mountains and rocks. In terms of area, Chile is 37th world largest country and it has only 1.7% of water. East of this country, Argentina is located. On the northeast side, Bolivia is located and Peru is located on north side of country. The population of Chile is almost 7 million people as per 2017 census. In terms of population, this country comes to 64th number in the world. Chile's currency is Chilean peso and Chile has progressed a lot over the past few years, but still the value of Chilean peso is much lower than US dollar. $1 is equal to 715 Chilean peso. Calling code of Chile is +56 and internet domain is .cl. 55% of population of Chile is sect of Christianity, belonging to Roman Catholics. 25% people are those who do not belong to any religion. 13% are Protestants and 7% of people are Muslims and the other religions. The national language of Chile is Spanish. Moreover, German and English are also spoken here. Drive in country is on the right side. Country is rich from natural beauty. That's why, according to an estimate, every year 5 to 6 million people come to tourism. Santiago is the capital and largest city of the country. Half of the population of Chile is living in Santiago. The city covered an area of 641 square kilometers. Grand Tower is a building in Chile's capital which contains 64 floors and it is the tallest building of Chile and all South American countries. Spain conquered, colonized the region in the mid of 16th century. Chile's people announced the independence from Spain on 12th of Feb in 1880 and finally saw the sunrise of independence on 25th of April 1844. Valparaiso is the city of Chile in which most of the world's fireworks were arranged in 2007. More than 16,000 fireworks were arranged and record is also recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records. Couples in Chile cannot keep their last name as the same because it is usually a sign of being a siblings. Chile has the lowest rate of divorces as it was not allowed to divorce here till 2005. In 2005, after amendments to the law, divorce have been allowed here, but still the number of divorces is equal to nothing. Chile is the 5th world's largest wine producer and 7th largest exporter. Atacama Desert is a dry desert from the world, which has not rained on some parts of the years, but the desert is rich in copper and lithium. Some parts of the desert offer a reflection of pink color when it comes to the rain. This desert is the oldest one in the world and it covers 3,63,000 square miles. After Germany, Chile is second in the world in terms of eating bread and second in the world in terms of book reading after Spain. Chile has the second largest book library in the world. FIFA World Cup 1962 was held in Chile, and in this World Cup, Chile's football team got the third position. Basketball, tennis, boxing and rugby are also played here. National sport of Chile is rodeo, which is largely comparable to hockey. In Chile, there are 4,000 years old trees that surprise the beholders. These trees are found in the southern side of Chile. The world's biggest earthquake came in Chile, which was recorded 9.5 on the Richter scale. In this earthquake, Chile beared a big financial loss and moreover 1,500 people found dead. More than 2,000 were homeless. Port Williams village is the world's most southern village, which is located in Chile. The highest number of lakes elevated from sea level are found in Chile. World's largest swimming pool is also located in Chile, which stretch 1,000 yards and 20 acres area, and its depth is 115 feet. To build the pool, over $1 billion expensed, and it took 5 years to complete. Chile spends over $2 million every year on its maintenance. Most penguins are also found in Chile after Antarctica. In an estimate, mummies found in Chile are more older than found in Egypt. Udu, named smallest deer in the world, is also found in Chile. National bird of Chile is Andean condor and huemul deer is the national animal. Easter Island is officially considered as part of Chile. Rock statues named Moai are found in this island are very famous, which are the masterpiece of 1,000-year-old art. These statues are 887 in numbers. More than 90 active volcanoes are found in Chile. In Chile, there is a 15-day contract between employee and employer, and if you don't do so, you may be fined. If a company dismisses an employee without any reason, the company pays a fixed amount to the employee. However, employee can leave on his own will. Employees in Chile have more time to work, and the time of rest to employees is 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Sunday is full holiday for employees. 5 World Heritage Sites being discovered in Chile. Luca National Park, which is very beautiful place, is situated in the north of Chile. The park is spread over 1,380 kilometers. Lago Changara is a lake which is the highest lake of the world, is situated besides Luca National Park. Pucón is a freezing peak with snow on the mountains as well as golden volcanoes, providing a full-scale enjoyment for tourists. Torres del Paine is a beautiful peak which is 25 to 2,800 meters high. If you wanna go to San Rafael Glacier, which is in Chile, you have to choose naval or air route. The most beautiful place on earth is Patagonia, which is approximately 20% of the total area of Chile. 50% area of Patagonia is full filled with animals, and you will find a little amount of people here. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you next time. This is Subhan signing off. Goodbye.